Hi, Mr. D. On behalf of Home and School, I wanted to wish you all the best on this most exciting journey that you're about to embark on. And in talking to some of your students, they say they have such amazing memories of you as their teacher, particularly doing the cross-country meets with you, and of course, your amazing voices during Read Aloud Stories. So since you are now have the gift of time, we decided to get you a time appropriate gift and also something to go with your travels, since hopefully we will all be able to travel to great places again soon. So Mr. D, on behalf of Home and School, thank you so much for everything you've done for Pearson and the students, and we wish you absolutely all the best. Take care.
Greetings, Pearson students and staff, and to everyone else viewing this live stream virtual sharing assembly. My name is Mike Delohe, and I teach visual arts to students in grades 5 to 8 here at Pearson. There's a long-standing tradition at Pearson to honor retiring teachers by providing them with a framed piece of art that was created by one of our students. Today, that tradition will continue. While we are saddened to know that today will mark Mr. De Silva's final day at Pearson, we are also confident that he has many new, exciting, and relaxing adventures ahead, and we wish him well. On a personal note, I would like to say that in my short time at Pearson, it has been an honor to be Mr. De Silva's next-door studio neighbor. After coaching against each other on many courts and fields over the past 20 years, it's been great joining the Pearson team and reconnecting with Mr. De Silva between September and now. I will miss our morning banter from the parking lot to the classroom and our poorly choreographed hallway hand sanitizer routines. Now, I'd like to hand it over to Ms. Baker for the introduction of the student artist who will present Mr. De Silva with his retirement piece.
Thank you very much, Mr. Delohe. Jessica Carini started at Pearson in grade 4 with Mr. De Silva as her teacher. Mr. De Silva, having been at Pearson for as long as you have, you will certainly appreciate that things here have changed quickly. Following that mindset, the piece of art you're about to receive to commemorate your retirement is not one you selected. Instead, Jessica was commissioned to create a piece especially for you. And at this time, I'm privileged to introduce Jessica Carini, who is currently in grade 8, Mr. Cairns' class, to present her piece of art to Mr. De Silva.
Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. Oh my goodness.
Thank
Wow,
you.
it's beautiful work, Jessica. It's so beautiful.
Very
Wow.
much.
Wow. So nice. What a nice memory. So beautiful.
Jessica worked very hard on that. Thank you, Jessica. And thank you, Mr. De Silva. Congratulations once again from the entire Pearson community on a fantastic career.
Thank you very much. Yeah, I just wanted to say thank you to everyone, staff and students over the years. This has been the place to be at. I'm very proud of the school. I love what goes on here. I've been inspired for many years, and I'm still excited about the different shows we see, the little banters, the little chats with staff and students, and just the lovely creative atmosphere at our school. So I walk away with thousands of memories and beautiful collections of artworks from my own students, and I'm really proud of being here, and looking forward to hearing about life at Pearson beyond Mr. D. Thank you.